Nice early start. It's 25 past 4 and I'm headed to Cape Conran. Sunrise, here I come. I'm so glad I got up early. I'm definitely going to be there in time. Uh-oh, it's raining. It looks like I might be getting to have a little nap when I get there because it's not looking good for sunrise. Well, that was a fail. On to plan B, which is coffee and going birding. Oh no, not again. The sun is out.
Well, it's heading up to 10 o'clock. It's finally stopped raining, so I'm going to go for a walk around. I'm at East Cape, at Cape Conran right now. Looks like a pretty good sort of surfing spot, a bit of a rocky outcrop here, and there seems to be a lot of birds around. So I'm going to just have a quick stroll around here, and then I'll probably head back up to the Yurong River and do the walk up there and just see what's available, if the weather holds out for me.
I can hear a bird of prey. Oh, there he is, whistling kite.
Great spot for looking for shells. Look at this. Oh wow, look at this lichen. I'm liking it. Wow, this is really impressive. This beautiful clifftop walk, it all looks very new and it's really lovely.
You can always count on a wren to show up somewhere. There's a few little birds picking through the kelp, just getting little bugs and tiny shrimp out of there. Out to sea you can see Beware Reef, where sailors came to grief. Supposedly some sailors are buried here, hence the name Sailor's Grave. It looks close, but it's actually 5 kilometres from shore. I'm back on the older section now. The rest must have got burnt out during the fires. Really stunning. Fantastic landscape photography spot. It's a pity my sunrise got foiled this morning, but that's life. And I think now I'm going to head over to the river walk because headland's beautiful, it's good for landscapes, but not so many birds. May as well get a shot of this cute pair of sooty oyster catchers. Here comes the rain again. I think I'll have to head back to the car. Wow, the Yurong River is gorgeous. I'm going to go for a float in my kayak. The weather still looks dubious, but it's really calm, so I've got my smallest kayak here. I have 3 kayaks. This one is the smallest one, and it's really light. It only weighs 5 kilos, so I can carry it. This little inflatable is really more of a toy than a kayak. It's good for rivers and where you're only going in one direction and you've got the current to just pull you along. You can't really paddle it, so it's not an open water kayak whatsoever. But it's nice to just float along like this and just see what birds come your way. The road to the gorge is closed due to storm damage, but I can still do the Yearong River walk. It's pretty soggy underfoot, but I'm sure I just heard some southern emu wrens. So I'm just going to hang around in this heathland and just see if I can spot one. Well, it took me nearly 2 hours, but I got him in the end. I better get cracking on the rest of this walk though. The emu wrens have put me behind schedule. Oh, glad I brought my gum boots. Can you hear that faint clicking sound? Something's crunching on something, probably parrots. I was hoping for turquoise parrots, but it's crimson rosellas. Yeah, so check this out. I'm the first person to walk down these stairs. Good job, guys. Cape Conran Park, coming through with the goods. Well, I made it down to the mouth. I didn't actually think it was open to the ocean. I couldn't see it from the other side, but it is, which explains the current in the kayak. Good old white-belly sea eagle cruising past, but all quiet on the estuary otherwise. Well, I better head back. I want to have a scout around the river near the bridge there and see if I can spot anything. Oh, golden whistler. And I can hear kingfishers. Well, I think that'll do for today. I better go and get settled. Tomorrow I might come back to the river and I want to go out and check out the West Cape and Salmon Rocks. Well, that was a pretty good day. I'm going to sleep well tonight though. The weather's meant to be a bit better tomorrow. Hopefully we'll see some sunshine. I got to sleep in this morning. It was pretty showery, but it's finding up now. I'm at Salmon Rocks. I'm just going to go for a walk around the headland to the boat ramp at West Cape. It's a beautiful place. The rocks remind me of Wilson's Prom. It's quite different to the East Cape side. Really nice to see the sun after yesterday's damp weather.
Can see some seabirds off in the distance on the rocks over there. Looks like cormorants. There's one Pacific gull there as well. We might try and get a closer look at that one.
How clear's the water?
Bit of rock hopping and I've managed to get over pretty close to this colony of birds just sitting on these rocks here. Well, I managed to scare him off in record time, but I did get a shot of him in flight, so it's not entirely a bad thing.
There's a few birds around this car park keeping me busy. Great big white belly overhead. I'm going to head back to the river now and just have a look around. It's a really beautiful afternoon.
I've just pulled over at the West Cape turnoff to Salmon Rocks. There's a pair of black-shouldered kites and there's some action. They're diving and attacking each other. So I'm hoping if I'm patient, I might be able to get a couple of action shots.
I just love black-shouldered kites. Their eyes are amazing. I could easily spend another couple of hours following these kites, but I'm going to head back over to the Yearong River.
Isn't this gorgeous?
All the little birds are coming out to enjoy the sunshine. Unfortunately, it's time for me to hit the road. Cape Conran has so much to offer. I'm definitely going to have to come back when it's a little bit warmer. There's over 200 species of birds in this park. Next time I'll definitely have to stay longer. Farewell, Cape Conran. See you again soon.